In this video, you'll learn how to set up AutoDS for use with eBay and Shopify. By the end of this guide, you will understand the differences between these platforms and how to choose the best setup for your dropshipping business. Begin by understanding the purpose of each platform. AutoDS is a tool designed to automate various dropshipping tasks, including product imports and order fulfillment. eBay serves as a marketplace where sellers can list their products and reach buyers across the globe. On the other hand, Shopify is an independent e-commerce platform that allows you to create your own online store. Recognizing the role of each platform is essential for determining how they can work together effectively. Next, compare the store management features available on each platform. eBay offers built-in traffic from its extensive marketplace, enabling sellers to attract buyers quickly. In contrast, Shopify provides sellers with complete control over their branded online store, allowing for customization and personalization. AutoDS enhances these experiences by automating tasks such as product imports, pricing updates, and order tracking. Analyzing these features will help you decide which setup aligns with your business model. After that, consider which setup is best for your business needs. Decide whether you want to sell through a marketplace like eBay or operate an independent online store using Shopify. If you seek quick access to a broad audience, the marketplace approach may be the right choice. Conversely, if you desire full control over your branding and store design, a dedicated store platform might suit you better. Automation tools like AutoDS can streamline operations for both setups, making your workflow more efficient. Furthermore, evaluate costs, features, and scalability before making your decision. Each platform has its own pricing structure and capabilities which can impact your long-term selling goals. Analyze your business requirements and how each platform can support your growth. Understanding these factors will provide clarity on which setup best fits your vision for your dropshipping business. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.